Windows keeps updating automatically. Want to stop it for good? In this video, I'll show you how to disable Windows automatic updates permanently on Windows 10. Let's get started. First solution. Use services to disable Windows Update. Search for services in the search bar and open the Services app. Double-click on Windows Update. Expand the Startup Type dropdown and select Disabled. Click Apply, then click OK. Second solution. Modify Registry to disable automatic updates. Search for Regedit in the search bar. And click Run as administrator. Click Yes on the confirmation window. In the Registry Editor, expand Heke Local Machine. Expand Software. Then Policies. And then Microsoft. Next, expand Windows. Right-click on Windows and select New. Then Key. Name the key Windows Update. Right-click on Windows Update and select New, then Key. Name the new key AU. Right-click on a blank space in the right pane and choose New, then DWORD left parenthesis 32-bit right parenthesis value. Name the value No Auto Update. Double-click on No Auto Update. Set the value data to 1 and click OK. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.